Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can take screenshot on Grow a Garden game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can find a location you want to take screenshot, and for example, I'm going to take screenshot here nearby my garden. Okay, and after that, you're going to click on these three lines or the more menu. Okay, and you will see the captures option here. Click on that, and now the capture is enabled, and you can click on this camera icon. Okay, and you can also press Alt+1 at the same time to capture. And if you want to see the result, you can click on this menu, and then you can go to the captures. And these are these screenshots I have taken on my Roblox. Okay, this is from Grow a Garden. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to take screenshot on Grow a Garden Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.